here at the Green Toys manufacturing plant. Now, what is this particular machine?
So this is an injection molding machine. This is primarily the way we make Green Toys products. We start with these little pellets that are recycled milk jugs. These are literally chopped up and washed recycled milk jugs. And those sit in this hopper here. Then we add to that this second pellets, which is the colorant. So these two are mixed together and they're pushed into this long piston, which is called a screw. So what happens is the heat and the rotation mixes the plastic together and gets pushed down this long piston under hundreds of tons of pressure. And that's the mechanism that pushes the plastic into the mold to create the part. And once that's made, you'll notice the robot will take the part out and bring it down for a secondary assembly.
Now, the human intervention comes in right when the part's dropped. What is this gentleman here doing?
So there's one of a couple of ways that we can put together a green toy. We can either have an operator trim the parts and put it together, or we can just take the parts and move them to a secondary assembly stage where they're either put together by hand, or many times we have a press where they can automate the assembly process.
So this particular machine works in the same way as the others, but are there different molds required for different components?
That's right. One of the things you'll notice is this particular one is dropping a lot of parts. Some molds carry big parts and output one or two pieces. This is a 12-cavity mold, and the efficiency is that we're charged by the time that machine operates. So when we can build a bigger mold and more parts drop out, each part is less expensive. So the trick is to build as big a mold as you can to produce as many parts with each shot.
Now we have all of the components for our toys. What's the piecing together process look like?
So this is a fixture that does the secondary assembly. One of the things you'll notice, especially for a product like this, is that we want to make sure the wheels go on, but the fixture will also check that the wheels are on and securely on so that they won't come off after assembly.
So this particular fixture has been custom made for this toy and this toy alone?
That's right, yeah. None of these are one size fits all. Every single fixture is custom made for every product.
And this is a completed product, ready to be boxed up?
The Green Toys mini vehicle, we sell millions of these every year, and you'll notice there's no metal axles, there's no screw, there's no glue. It's 100% recycled plastic.
And this is it. The finished product is now boxed up in these fully recycled cardboard packagings with no plastic ties. It's all just made out of cardboard to secure it properly. And then the products are shipped out to over 80 countries worldwide. To date, Green Toys has recycled over 40 million plastic bottles here in California.